Daily oral language sentence number 48. Let's go. All right, I'm putting it up on your screen. Please copy it down right now. It says, to be a accomplished athlete, you'll has to run faster than Bobby have ran, said Coach Gonzalez. I'm going to read it again. To be a accomplished athlete, you'll has to run faster than Bobby have ran, said Coach Gonzalez. Okay, the most important thing to talk about in the sentence is the fact that this was all said, well, almost all said by Coach Gonzalez. So I'll ask you now, what are the only 3 words that Coach Gonzalez did not say out loud? And of course, the answer would be said Coach Gonzalez. So let's separate that out with our comma to show that he did not say everything else. And how do we show that he did say everything else? Of course, we will put quotation marks before to and after the comma. Now, I know that comma is not part of the sentence. In fact, the end of his sentence, there should be a period. But since I'm making this a longer sentence by saying Coach Gonzalez said it, I separate it with a comma, and then my period goes at the end of it because that's the end of this sentence, not necessarily the end of what Coach Gonzalez said, okay? The end of what Coach Gonzalez said, we put the comma. The end of this sentence, we put the period. Let's continue. Clearly, we're going to capitalize to. Now, to be a accomplished athlete, no, the next word starts with an A, so we know it's an accomplished athlete. Look at accomplished. What's wrong with that? Correct. To accomplish something, you need 2 C's. Excellent. Take a look at athlete. I can't stand it when people say athlete. It's like when my daughters say necklace and they add an extra vowel or an extra letter. It's not an athlete, it's an athlete. So how do I get rid of that and make it sound like it's supposed to? We get rid of that first E. It's just an athlete. Let's continue. To be an accomplished athlete, you'll have to run faster. Let's continue. Obviously, we're going to put a comma there because we have a pause right there. So let's see. To be an accomplished athlete, comma, you'll has to run faster. Now, you'll is contracting 2 words. What 2 words am I contracting? You will. So I put the apostrophe there. If I want, I can, of course, write you space will. Ooh, my writing looks better today. To be an accomplished athlete, comma, you will or you'll has to run faster. Not you will has to run faster. You will have to run faster. Good. Than Bobby have ran. You will have to run faster than Bobby. Now, remember I've taught you about then. THEN is always just time order. So first you do something, then you do the next. Let's talk about a recipe. First you grab your ingredients, then you mix your ingredients, then you cook your ingredients. That's time order. When we're talking about comparing you to somebody else or some other thing other than, then it's THAN. So let's use that. You will have to run faster than Bobby have ran. Can we say than Bobby have ran? No. If I want to keep the word ran, you will have to run faster than Bobby ran. I could get rid of the word have and say that. Or if I want to keep it and I want to change it, I can say then Bobby he has run. Let's see. To be an accomplished athlete, comma, you'll have to run faster than Bobby has run, said Coach Gonzalez. Now take a look at Coach Gonzalez. In this case, I want to use it as, in this case, I'm using it as his name, Coach Gonzalez. So I'm going to capitalize both the C and the G. Let's take a look at our bottom and see how well we did. We have open quotes. To be an accomplished, we have a double C in accomplished. Athlete, we got rid of the E. It's not an athlete, it's an athlete. There's my comma. You'll, contracting you and will, have to run, good, faster than, THAN, not THEN, Bobby has run. Of course, you can say then Bobby ran, but I like Bobby has run better. Comma quote, said Coach Gonzalez. And of course, I'm capitalizing Coach and Gonzalez because A, Gonzalez is his name, but in this case, I'm using Coach like it's his name as well. Really nice job, everybody. Please get that copy down.